Data button versus cursor versus bolt. So in this video, I will compare these AI coding tools and help you decide which one is the best. So make sure to like and subscribe. Number 1, their performance and speed. Cursor is known for its smooth and responsive interface built directly for developers using GPT-4. It's blazing fast and integrates natively with your code editor. Bolt is fast too, but it focuses more on user-friendly prompt engineering workflows than deep IDE features. Lastly, Data Button is slower in execution but powerful for building AI apps with simple Python code and UI widgets. Next is their ease of use. Cursor feels like an advanced developer tool. It assumes you already know what you are doing, while Bolt and Data Button are easier to use for beginners or non-coders. Data Button's drag and drop UI builder is great for product experiments, while Bolt offers pre-built workflows for quick deployment. Next is their integration and collaboration. Data Button supports cloud collaboration and simple sharing, while Bolt allows easy prompt sharing and team-based workspaces. Cursor, however, focuses mostly on solo developers and deep IDE coding, not collaboration. Next is their AI capabilities. Cursor is arguably the most powerful when it comes to deep AI integration. It can fix bugs, write code, and even refactor intelligently, while Bolt is more focused on prompting and chaining ideas for workflows. And Data Button lets you turn GPT prompts into apps, but it lacks the robust AI agent capabilities of Cursor. Lastly is their pricing. Data Button has a generous free tier with limitations, while Cursor requires a pro plan for full GPT-4 access, and it's not cheap. And Bolt's pricing is in the middle with a decent free tier and affordable pro plans. So for final verdict, if you are a serious developer looking to go deep with AI assisted coding, Cursor is the best for you. For building AI workflows without code, you can go with Bolt. And for makers who want to turn prompts into shareable apps, Data Button is for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.